Hey guys, this is Chand from studyeasy.org, and in this particular video we will discuss about methods of mapping class. Now friends, as we already know that there are possible two ways of mapping a class. The first option is XML mapping, which is also the legacy way, and the second way is annotation, which is the model and the preferred way. Now friends, in this particular video tutorial series, it is like a very good thing that we will cover both of these options when it comes to JDBC connectivity using Spring's framework. So we're gonna take the XML mapping first, the legacy way, and then we're gonna also check how we can do the same using annotation. So that's a fantastic thing. In this particular section, we're gonna first take up the XML mapping. So don't get confused that when we will check the annotation way of doing the same thing, don't worry, we will do it as well in the next subsequent section. So I hope I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.